Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would film a very quick video showing you how I apply my eyeliner and obviously what products I use to do my eyeliner and mascara. I mentioned in my previous video, if you have watched it, the GLOSSYBOX unboxing video, I mentioned how I have a little tip that I use and that I tell everybody about when it comes to applying my eyeliner, and literally guys, it makes it 10 times easier. For anybody that doesn't know how to apply eyeliner or is really kind of new to it all, I honestly recommend following this tip and letting me know how you get on. Do let me know in the comments if you've tried this before and how it works for you. It's not something that's going to work for everybody, but I find that the majority of people that I've given this tip to who hadn't really practiced doing eyeliner on themselves before have said that they find it a lot easier. So yeah, I do hope that you enjoy this video and yeah, carry on watching. So the two products that I am using are the, well actually I'll start with the eyeliner. I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Precise eyeliner. It's this black one with the pink sort of ribbon around it. I have used this eyeliner since I was about 14. I believe they've changed the packaging, but yeah, it's the formula and everything else has pretty much stayed the same, and I have just stuck to it. I love it and it just works really well for me. And then once I've applied my eyeliner, I will be going over my lashes with my favourite Eyeko Black Magic mascara. Now, I'm a sucker for long lashes and I'm always on the lookout for the best mascara on the market, and I have to say that this is by far one of the best mascaras I have ever tried. It's so good. It just doesn't dry. Like, I've had this for a couple of months, and I know that you're supposed to get rid of them after 2 or 3 months, but literally it stayed the same as it was the first day that I opened it. I love that it doesn't clump your lashes and it just separates them but gives them really nice length. So yeah, I love this mascara. Anyway, I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I'm just going to go straight in and show you how I do my eyeliner. Okay, so the first thing that I do is sort of draw a dot on where I would like my eyeliner to finish. So I know that roughly my eyeliner will finish there, and I will get up close and show you in just a moment, and I'll do the same on the other side to try and get it sort of matching. Okay, so as I come up close, you should be able to see this little dot. I may make it a little bit darker. Okay, so as I come up close, you can see this little dot that I have made, and I've done the same on the other side. Now, unless you have a super symmetrical face, which I don't, you're never going to have it exactly matching, exactly the same. The trick is then into sort of making sure when you go to do the eyeliner and making it sort of a little bit neater. But what you want now is to just have something that is roughly matching on both sides. So as you can see, I've got a dot there and the other one there. And then what you want to do is bring that dot into your the corner of your eye. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so then you'll end up with something that looks a little bit like this. So you've joined it to the corner, and then you should have done the same on the other side. The next step is to then take your eyeliner from your inner corner and just draw a very fine line towards the middle of your eye and stop right there once you get there, and do that on both sides. Okay, so as you can see, I've stopped just after the middle of my eye, so just there, but you've got it roughly matching on both sides. The next step is to then get your eyeliner from that corner and join it into the middle. So you want to do that on both sides. So from that corner, join it into the middle. Don't worry about making sure that you filled in all of it at this point. All you want to do is just join that corner into the middle bit of where you've stopped drawing your eyeliner. Okay, so at this point, if I close my eye, you'll be able to see that there is obviously a gap from where I've joined it from the corner into the middle. Okay, as you can see there. So then the final step is to obviously fill that gap in. Okay, like so. And then this is the point where I actually then try to elongate, so try to give myself more length in terms of where the eyeliner finishes. So you can just go over it just ever so slightly and just lengthen it like that. And then you can do the same on the other side, because at this point you know they're matching. Okay, and you should end up with something that looks like this. And that's pretty much how I then do my eyeliner. It's really easy, just super simple, and once you get the hang of it, it literally takes me about 2 minutes, 1 minute per eye. So obviously once I have done my eyeliner, the next step is to apply my mascara, and I'm going to go straight in and do that. So I'll just show you the wand actually on this mascara. So as you can see, it's slightly curved and it's a fibre mascara, so the end isn't plastic. I find that these fibre ends work a lot better with my eyelashes, and I find that they actually in the long run clump a little bit less as well. So I'm just going to go and put that on. And I do also have another little trick when you do your mascara. What I find works really well is to actually, as opposed to sort of coating the mascara with your hand, is to actually put the mascara down and blink on it. So just pop it down and blink, pop it down and blink. I find that actually that really helps to coat your lashes fully and to give you that extra length. Okay, so once you've done the top of your lashes, if you like having your bottom lashes done as well, I normally do. I just do a very tiny bit because I find that it opens my eyes up a little bit more. And then I made a little bit of a mess, which I'm going to go and touch up in a minute, but I haven't brought all of my makeup in this room. So anyway, that is literally essentially the finished look. It literally takes me 5 minutes to do both the eyeliner and the mascara, probably even 4 minutes I would say. So yeah, it's super easy and super quick to do, and that is what it looks like. So yeah, I really love that mascara, guys. It's just amazing. Can you believe I've had it for 2 months? Anyway, I'll stop getting up close and showing you one of my spots, but yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from me. And yeah, I hope that I will see you all very soon. Bye.